when the dynamic duo plug into the loop. Jose and Winnie, diaries. Got that fire, no apologies. Conversations that inform and inspire. Taking entertainment to a level higher. Come on, come and catch the vibe now. Ooh, na, na, na. Hey! Come on, come and catch the vibe now.
Jose and Winnie, diaries.
Lynda, eluga kwogera Luganda ogenda chuli.
Kumpaka.
Ogenda kwogera ebisoko, oteekemu ku bisoko, oteekemu ku buli kimu kyonna.
Olina bafandi bo nga bamanyi Luganda by the way. Nga bandyagadde okuwulira nga babitegeera bulungi.
I can start now, I'm better.
You're better?
Msovola, yeah.
Still wali worse.
Actually, by the time the lockdown, but then gas.
Tumayogeranga Luganda?
No.
Tumayogeranga lulimi.
Chinyaranda Lufumbira.
Wakolirawa? Mwana mu Kampala, like mu Uganda mwana wakolirawa?
Nigeria.
Gyewakolera?
Sort of, yeah.
Nga bazadde bo, family bo bawangayiramu nga boogera Lunyarwanda?
Yeah, or English.
So tuwafuna chance. Ate gye wasomeranga temayogeranga Luganda?
Nabisunsa maybe, but I know those girls never used to speak Luganda. But they were punka. Hey. Everyone was cool.
Tulinamu abaana nga bazadde be bana Uganda, abaana nabo bakuliddemu naye tebamanyi kwogera Luganda.
Well, that was a problem. Never sang on Muganda nga tomanyi, you don't even know that person is a Muganda until because you'd never hear them speak that language. No, but he speaks it, but the good thing is that he's very good at his language.
Kisoko. Aba yakitegesa nti bwe nakola speech nja kiyisaawo omanyi abaganda bagamba.
Because the people around him, I think it's the people around you that help it. Because I've seen people who are not even Ugandans that speak Uganda very well because of the people around them.
So tewalina mikwano okusomera nga gy'abaana oluzungu balumanyi but bali nnyo
even if they knew, they would never speak their local language. Like even if you like, it would be hard now. Like even me speaking my local language, I have to be home for a couple of days to speak it normally. Like no, I can speak, but won't quite at gunpoint.
You cannot.
Yeah, I can't. Like if you tell me, okay, say this, I will fail. But when I'm in the village and I've been around like family for like a couple of days, since they're speaking it like comfortably, you also become comfortable.
I know. That's right.
In the that was the problem. We grew up in fences, yeah. But in the village, it was.
Which village are we talking about?
I'm not a Muganda, yeah.
Rwanda.
Yes, I don't know why you're shocked. My name is Wamahoro. No, I keep saying that because people used to give it to me and I liked it. I like the Muchiga one more.
Why?
Because they told me Muchiga women are tough.
So and are you? Are you?
So I wanted to be a Muchiga. So every time someone says, oh yeah, Muchiga, called the yes, and the Muchiga kumbe. Right, no, just to use it for like kutisa. Menga.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Channel ya Vagita Jose and Winnie Diaries.
I saw the diaries. Yeah, I saw it after actually telling me about it. I started seeing. I'm like all along. Whatever to kweka kobi.
Akantu kali eyo katwegeza mu kwa.
Naye mungambe. Muli musente.
We are soon to finding out.
Kubaga, if so, you tell me now.
Lynda.
Kubaga, okay, you tell me why people would be...
You won't sleep because you don't sleep, so you won't sleep at all.
Nainga weba nonya sentences sipayo.
Okay. You're working out, that's for sure.
Yeah. Like I can stand for 2 days as long as the money comes in. I'll sleep in my what they call it? What they call this car? The one of Anita Amon.
Yeah,
I'll sleep in my Rolls Royce.
Yeah.
No, like meets. How can I say it? No, I like those weird boyish things. Talk about like good. Gadgets, cars, bien like everything else, man. I can spend a month because I never could die on salute. Walai Gamiswahili mikadie. But then you cannot tell me about a gadget and I don't pay. Like I don't know.
That's why you got so what latest phone.
It's a thing. Simanyi jechava, but like me. Njagala ngato cars, those weird boyish things.
Kati bafeeriya abaali obagenda kulowooza nti yasooka okukwata ebintu alakamuwawe she's a hard working girl just so you know. Ono omukyala yanyusa essaawa 10 kitundu ezaako leero okuba kantu kaleero. I know, so ebintu byabikolerera byagamba ebirungi byayagala tubamuwa.
And I used to tell people like mundaba nkola. We mundaba nganziria musirike because you saw me suffering for it. Like I would stand for hours. I will come from my own event to someone else's event, like, and then come back to work for my beautiful company. And then afterwards, when I buy something nice for myself, then all of a sudden I don't deserve it. I don't think I should. Yeah, it's weird.
But you know, it's not only Lynda
yeah, I feel like it's a very annoying narrative because omusajja wa kikola tewali amubuuza because naye akola kate na kankuwa example tulina abasajja betukola nabo, right?
Yeah, sure.
Roughly you earn the same amount of money. Bwagula, let me say, a plot of land, naji posting, he's happy. Abantu bagamba,
it's okay.
Congratulations, well done, you're a hardworking man. Do the exact same thing.
I know.
You're earning the exact same amount of money. So why is it so hard for people to believe that women's brains have evolved and they're also very, very willing? Okay, there are many that may not be. There are many that are willing to actually make something out for themselves. You wouldn't be here working if mwandiwadde muwuliringa mulinzi omuntu akusindikire emmere ewaka akusindikire breakfast because it's possible. You're very beautiful ladies. You could still be at home. Why are you here? Because your minds are not the same as what it used to be back then.
So Lynda naye wali wabiwulira ebintu nga wakafuna emotoka yeeyo.
Yeah, but then I was the last one.
To do what?
Yenze yasembayo biwulira. Like zikadi byange, but you know how I live my life. Mundaba, like unfortunately or fortunately, better busy. So sometimes bimpitako ngasina baviraba. I got to notice it after a while. I actually got to know it when I was at Governor. And because that time I had to play. And then some of the people, betukola navo, never gende waveru. Like they did that car URA thing on their phones. So I didn't know. No muna na koma Moses na koma omwenda. Na ngamba chogamba hiyo motoka hiyo. I'm like, wait, what do you mean? Like, because me, it hadn't yet hit me what they meant. Like, me, I be, as if you don't tell me something direct, I'm not going to try to read between the lines. But, so you have to tell me what you're thinking so that I can be, if you want me to clarify, you ask me. But in most cases, I don't respond to people's things. Like, no one came to ask me. So when he told me that, I'm like, what do you mean? Like, oh no, these guys were outside and they were like doing that thing where I think either I don't know what it's called. It's like the way when you want to know someone's name. No, neweko zanga musindikira sente, then you get ha. So they did the one of cars, But it has always been, my car's always been parked right there. You can go and see the sticker or like my name is right there. I've actually not driven a car that's not owned by me, unless if it's for my family or my partner. And other than that, I don't think I've driven any car that's not mine. Like at the end of the day. Nenga. Me. I think banduka. No, kubanga. Like the truth is, I don't know. I think it's in me.
Ate abantu akola ennyo nga gwe batuuka ne baba n'obusungu kuba nga nti alina embyoma ennyo
like
ate bw'olagadde okola nnyo era still be happy.
Because my mind, it's my coping mechanism is work. If bwemba siwulira bulungi, which is very weird, mba njagala kukola so that I can feel like I've achieved something. Nempulira bulungi mu mutima. Like I feel nice when I feel like I've done something in the day. Waliwo kyenfunyemu, or there's something, there's a step I've made towards something. That's when I can be able to like breathe or whatever. Because I used to wonder also, I never knew that I had that in me. That Queen of Happiness name, my boss gave it to me at KFM. Mr. Joseph Bayanga, I don't know if you know him, but he's the one who gave me that title. So I asked him why. He's like, look at yourself. and I never knew what it was. And then I realized, like, even when I'm like in extreme pain, like let me say when I'm sick, I laugh. When I'm using you, do not come here when I've started laughing. That's why I got like, you know, you've annoyed me and I'm laughing. That means I'm actually pissed. Like, like it's so it's weird. But then when I reach the house, I'm a human being just like everyone else. Sirika. My sisters are the how can I explain it? Even if you get home at 4:30 in the morning, they know very well you're supposed to get up at 8 or you're supposed to be out of the house by 8. This one will come and sit next to you. But remember, that's the only time. That's the only time you have with them. So you go with it. You're tired, but then in that whole confusion, you forget your problems. So it's having people around you. I really do believe is actually a good thing. I really wish many people had that chance. But it's not common. That's why you'll hear statements like lonely at the top. Most of the people in the entertainment industry, unfortunately, do not either be around their family as much or don't have the liberty to be around their family as much. Because also, you know, in the entertainment, for you to keep them safe, you have to, or you know, over your distance. Otherwise, the last thing you want is for your sister to be at school and they're comparing her to you because of maybe a mistake that you made, or you get it. Like that's the last thing you'd ever wish for them. Yeah, they do. But their characters are totally different from even me. I get confused. Like they're really not those people. Even me, I didn't think I was that person because I'm shy.
Are you?
In actual, how many times have you phoned me in my car?
Me.
I hide there. I hide in my car and get out when it's time to work. And for some reason, it's like I would understand when Nicki would keep saying, or Beyonce would keep saying that there is an alter ego to everyone. Because they won't take a camera, I'm okay. Naye nteka mu bantu.
Okay, camera tugitegedde ate mu bbaala nnyabo.
Naye nteka mu bantu.
Obeera mu bbaala omuli abantu
batunuulidde and they're looking at me and I don't even know. It's like but as soon as I'm like done, when I'm working, it's like for a second you forget where you are. You're not really seeing people. There's something you've all been on those stages where now for a moment there it's just me and my friends. I don't know who you are, but you're all my friends.
You and your laptop.
You've been on the stages before. Sakulaba ku stage. Yabitus. Muwairiza. You see, even a press conference, there are people like you've been in front, you've been put on that spotlight where you have to like talk. But for a second, you kind of forget that. But then as soon as it is done like this, and let me say I have to go to the toilet, I start asking, why you escort me? Like it is so weird. I'm feeling like, okay, I'm passing through people. I don't know, like and I don't know why I have. For someone who has been on big stages, I don't know why I'm scared of people. But yeah, like I don't know.
What's that?
Oh, me? Retainer. Oh, I had braces.
Nengera line joiner.
Yeah, a retainer. I got a retainer. I had braces on. They give it to you after you've had braces. Okay, well, it's optional, but you can have it after you've had braces. Now, like for me, who had a gap in my teeth, because remember, they keep telling you like teeth have muscle memory. So it could choose to go back. I don't know. I think it's just to strengthen your teeth. So you just put it on or...
So that you can choose to take it and leave it. Is it expensive?
It is. It is kind of expensive. I paid mine 1.7.
That it
wasn't intentional. I just the same people and they the same people. They're the same ones. So me, I don't know what the difference is. No, I loved my gap. Everyone knew that I loved my gap because that's the reason I was so embedded. Like, of which the funniest thing is when I was a kid, I never really liked it as much. I was the only one in my family who had a gap. But now I had to give space for my thingy teeth to grow. Sweet. So in the process of
you can't stand for long. Yeah.
So you're saying?
Yeah, in the process of trying to create space for my back teeth to grow, it ended up closing the gap. Like I have teeth that were supposed to grow, the back teeth, but they had no space to grow because my teeth were there. Okay. So I had to. So that these ones can grow peacefully without me having, those things where you have like one tooth standing in front and the other one. Yeah, that was basically the reason. At first, the funniest thing is at first they told me it wouldn't disappear. At least they told me it wouldn't disappear completely. So I kept thinking it would. But in like the first month, it had gone.
Which had
gone.
So how did you feel?
Right, felt weird. Like in most cases, I'll just like do this half the time because I'm still not used to even smiling right now without braces. So it's just, it took me a while to readjust. You take a while to
because
get used to it.
People
would actually describe me as kali akawala ka Akazigo.
And then katobise describing
Ugandans have things to say. They cannot fail to find a description. A Ugandan person, Ugandans will describe you by anything. Yeah, my mom did ask me, she's like, why did you put those metals in your mouth?
What did you think?
I laughed because I didn't know what to respond at that moment. It took me a moment to compose myself and actually explain to her, like, oh no, I needed to have my teeth fixed and everything. But,
Lynda kitegeeza waliwo ekintu kye bakugambye n'okitwala personal okusinziira ku kino ky'oli mu kungamba banagala n'ebyokwogerako biki bakugambako wawulira nga kiri personal nga social media bakyogeddeko now that you took it personal you're like nekumalako emirembe
my weight.
Your weight.
No.
waliwo wasayiro bakati n'ogyotaddeko. Which weight? Because in a way it's
the one that hurt me more was the other one. When I was because man, there were stories that I would look and you'd see like someone would go on TikTok, they sit down, they set their camera, they would take a ring light, well-lit video. You've never met me in my life. Like a Tomani, like you don't know who I am. Like then you'd see people come up with all sorts of theories. Can you want to ask them? Like no, serious. Bro, that one was irritating. It wasn't something that I would ever do because I think you've known
proving a point.
There's no point in which I've ever come out. People have said things. I've never come out clear there anything. Because in my head I'm like, as long as my food is not affected, you talk. But then I felt like it was now starting to affect like my work and how I would actually work, and it had just become a bit too much. Yeah, because they were posting their comments on like the NTV The Beat pages. Like you wouldn't avoid it. You know how you can avoid things like on your own page.
Had you planning that live the Beat mubeerako live already?
Yeah, we were already on a live. Yes. And then that time, luckily that day, remember we used to have those health thingies at lunchtime. Yes. I've forgotten the name of the company. It was advertising actually. Those the tests, the Aura Quick. Yeah. So like that time they were having that whole campaign. Yeah. It was just it happened to be by chance. So Dougie is actually the one who came with tests. Because to be like all the time. There are times you can be there, then a beverage company comes, then that whole day we are on soda. Because because they bring those things, they're available to us at station. So it just happened and they kept insisting. So we were I think 30 minutes into the live, like the show hadn't yet begun. Yeah. And then that guy was like, man, why not? Just if there's no problem, because if you can go back and watch that live, he went back and picked and came back. I'm like, you know what? I mean, may have nothing to lose here. Might as well, because I already knew it wasn't the case. The only problem is that people were accusing me of things that that were on an extreme of things that I don't even do. Like, I don't smoke at all. And then someone comes and gives you drugs. I'm like, I skip smoking and I go to drugs. Where is the math here? Like, there was no math in the things they were saying that I do. Like, because everyone who has been around me knows I don't smoke, I don't drink, and then you're accusing me of things that I couldn't even pronounce.
Lynda, kankubuuze. Chinene, you can actually pass it.
Yeah.
Chiri ku nsonga eyo y'emu. Like, can you tell us what wali wesanze mu situation, like what you are losing weight?
Oh, I was not well at first initially. Like, it reached a point in which I would get an attack almost every week. Ngansula budwali ukalina de membership. You remember? I'm sorry. No, I don't know why I'm laughing. It's because Chandumba. Like, because I could not come out to explain that part to people who had already dedicated themselves to judging me the wrong way. You get, like, okay, now what reason do I have to come and tell you what had happened? Mumazo kunsarako kugambichi. Like, you get my point. Like, what you're doing is not even helping me at that point in time. And it didn't. And how long are you going to spend trying to explain? Because I can't come. Winnie, you know this happened. Jose, you know this happened. I got to him. There was no. I didn't have that time, and I was still trying to focus on getting better. And then I actually dedicated myself on getting better. Weirdly enough, in that time, I was actually better. Does that make sense?
Yes,
that's why it was so confusing to me. Because in that time, when I was actually small, I never felt sick even once. That is how weird it is. Like, that time is when I was actually getting better, health-wise, not mentally. Mentally, you guys had broken it, but still. But, like, health-wise, I was actually 100% fine. I would go back for, like, checkups and everything was okay. The only question was whether or not I was okay with myself at that point in time. That was basically only mental. But health-wise, I can confidently speak that time made me better up to now. Like, when was the last time you saw me with a cannula? Yeah. And I used to loiter around every single day, like it looked like a uniform to me at some point. Bro, you're joking. I would be there standing and I'm thinking I am okay, and then in the morning I'm there suffering, no voice, no nothing. Like, basically things were not like okay. I used to eat. When I was sick. I mean, say when I was small.
Juice, water,
starters, because
what?
But yeah. I can take water. I'm very good. Room temperature.
Temperature.
Oh, sorry. In Uganda, they say warm water. Not even bagamba room temperature. Bagenda kuntela ganyo goga. Sometimes they confuse the definition, but
so mbade nkubuza abantu bagalinda batalia lindo.
I was eating and I was eating a lot. My appetite was expensive. Like
those days.
Every moment, like, let me say, if I move from here and I go to the next location, I eat. But then it wasn't working, and I think it's true. Like, your mind is the one that actually sets you free. When I stopped caring, like, I only said I don't give a pee. My weight came back. I think everything I was eating decided to fall at the same time.
Why's your gamba came back? Like, used to what?
No, I was bigger at some point. There's a time when I was actually bigger. When the lockdown started, when people started saying I'd gotten money because I was fat. In every comment, they're like, take her to the gym. I was working. I think I worked the most during the lockdown, because I would do a 5-hour show on radio. I would have an all-night show on TV, an evening show still on TV, and I would also MC and host event. Like, in the lockdown, I had work non-stop. There was nothing that would set. So how is it possible? I don't know. I think it was just I was happy in a way. Okay. I think every time I'm just like genuinely at peace or happy, like my weight is with me. And then, so my weight is the problem. It's not loyal. So my weight is the problem. I am not the problem.
And when you're Kennedy,
because you look so good.
I actually like being fat. It sounds weird, but I like being fat. No, okay, yeah, as in I've seen that as well. Nenga, the truth is, I kind of like myself when I'm bigger. It reminds me of my baby self. Like I feel I was fat. My mom used to tell me they wouldn't carry me while walking. They'd put me on the laps and hold me. But then I didn't believe it because when I was in high school, I was tiny. So I don't know. Like, but I think it's just hormonal. You are big?
I was.
When? When?
Senior 2, senior 1.
Okay, no, atugambe somero tubabuze.
Right, bagende mu comment section.
Kati gwe tugambe somero tubuze aba OG.
I think namuna parents. Namuna parents. Abanda mungondo za mujjukira. Nali munene namuna parents. Senior fao nali munaki. Bagenda kuteekayo ebanje mbiteekayo.
Waliwo tukakubona bunene bwendiko.
Ate goli munene.
Meanwhile,
I also want to know who is fat, because me sometimes when I look at myself, I don't see fat. Because I've seen people who are bigger than myself and people don't say anything about their weight. No, let's be honest. No, there are people. No, yeah, there are people they have talked about. No, but she's very confident. She's very confident. She's way more confident than I am in her skin. She's like someone that you can admire. Yeah, and she enjoys herself. But yeah, because I think the fact that she decided to just go ahead and enjoy herself, like no one is really on her case as much. But like I'm meaning in day-to-day life, honest to God, I'm not fat. Like murimbi nyo. Let's be honest. Okay, yes, I have body parts that overshout. But that one has never changed. When I'm small, when I'm fat, my stomach stays the same. The thing that keeps changing is my thighs.
Every day.
I guess like everything else, my bill can be cheap, but on food,
Lynda,
at some point, yes, I did. And there's that time when I lost weight, when I was trying to gain weight, there is thingy that they told me about Insure Plus. Okay. Imagine 1 cup bottle, it's not even this big, it's like this height, was 28k, and you take 1 a day. And I would buy for the whole month. I would never forget. I even think I still have those things. I would pay 800k for bottles for 30 days. But it's supposed to help. I don't know. It was supposed to help me gain my weight back, but the weight wasn't coming back. So I was spending money for that. But at that point in time, I felt like I think me losing weight had become a problem to everyone else. So it had started like becoming so irritating. You know, the weirdest thing is you gain weight. I will come and greet you. Go geze. I swear to God. I swear to God. They will actually say that to you. And the weirdest thing is, up to now, I do not have a response to that statement. Because what do you mean? Like in your head, you think I haven't seen myself.
Like live.
It also adds, yeah. You look like a baby. Omani, these are that they send with that have that I love you here. It's like this. Like all the time. I love you. But it's yeah, that's the thing. And then also people have to like acknowledge the fact that people look different on different things. Like let me say Snapchat or whatever. I usually put stupid filters on my Snap because saga mubera ongamuloza. Like I'm all I put stupid filters on my face so that when you see me, at least the expectations are like me. That has always been my reason in my head. I want to laugh at you. When take a car, I want to laugh. But now, no, because like me in my head, like you know how they would keep saying, let me say, Oli namulabanga talina makeup nainga you know those weird statements. I don't do makeup. Yeah. I even would keep telling people me the reason why I don't do makeup is I want you to get used to what I look like. so that you don't come to me and say, hey, you look different. By the time you see me with makeup, you'll be shocked. There's a time, when was it? Last week, when you phoned me, I had makeup on. And she's like, when I did your makeup? Because now I looked different.
Yes.
And it would rather be that way than the other way around. But then also, like, I've seen so many people who will meet me in real life and be like, hey, but you look nice. Because what they are used to is what bloggers make. And bloggers, if they want to make you look ugly, they will make you look ugly. If they want to get a picture of you winning, and they want you to look bad, you will look bad in that picture.
True.
Whether you like it or not. Because that to them, that's what's going to get them likes. They'll be like, none of you has ever seen Winnie in her true element. And then they'll post a random, like not even a picture, and they're taking a picture from a video. You know those pictures where your mouth is even moving, like the ones of weddings, like the ones they take of people when they're eating food. Like they will take that picture, they'll post that one.
Talking about that, kulunaku lwa karoka sita waliwo ka video kali mu kutambula ngambade green. I mean, you actually nakula ku setting oli okay, ku setting namulaba ali okay, but then video bwe yajja
is a video of me.
Yes.
Yeah, kuna kwa karoka sita.
I haven't seen it. What did I do?
Mukwano bakuwa.
I remember I was running giving girls at work.
But we know because twice we ingira wa mobile.
That was our same entrance. We had the same entrance.
Kati bakukwata video nga gogenda ku mulimu gwo. Kola ne bakwata era ne bagipostinga nga nti obadde nga agenda ku.
Na ate ngo yambadde mbo si bulungi for the show because you are red carpet.
I wasn't going for that show. I was going. Wait, hey, madam. My workplace is at Serena inside the building. Like we use the same toilet when you guys are having events. Like that is how close it. I know. Do you know I even tried running? I even asked Stevie. I'm like, why are we supposed to enter this place? I remember even jumping through. I jumped through a bush for nothing. I was going to work. I wasn't even wearing something short, was I?
It wasn't short, but it was.
I was wearing a biker.
Cellulite.
Yeah.
So
everyone has cellulite. Even small girls have cellulite. No, even small girls have cellulite. Really? You guys just go ahead and pay. Just like I don't want to give names, but you guys go ahead and pay attention to all those people. Man, you guys are not going to make me feel bad for something that you and your parents also have. Yes. Because you're going to say like, okay, you're going to say your mom doesn't have cellulite or has never had cellulite.
Yeah.
I am the first one in Uganda to have it. I don't know what was I wearing that was showing. That's the thing that doesn't make sense. I really want to see. Now you guys do those things on purpose. You should send it to me and I see it. Now you guys should pray to God. Because okay, now that one I didn't see. Because in my head, I even went to Serena early.
Yes, you
did. I not?
Yes.
That means there must have been sunshine in that video.
Yes.
Was the event happening at that time?
No. I think about stalking.
No,
I don't remember, but I know that day I was wearing, because I've been wearing green a lot. No, you know these kind of like what I'm wearing, but like the thingy version, and with a jacket, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, because me, I was from work going to work. I'm running around. I'm pretty sure I was wearing even sneakers, wasn't I?
Yes.
Wasn't I holding things in my hand? You don't you see I was going to work? Like common sense and person. If I had a bag, a backpack, just know I was going to work. But the city move been to be a okay, you guys can annoy. Like even lucky I didn't know that one. But I pray to God. You guys should pray to God that I stay the person I am. If I was someone else, I'm going to also go and start abusing you people. I'll go to your profile, look for your picture, and also post it under the video you posted. I'll be like, now you see that person that you are like that is abusing me. You also you have questionable figures. Okay, so if I'm bad, that's what I'm wondering. I'm there minding my business. I'm working. I'm doing. You can even see even you who posted the video. You could see I'm working. I have not. Yeah, I'm not your family member. As in, okay. So I grew fat. Did I tell you to carry me? No.
oba omugambye akwekume
Wampaddeyo sente za fuel emotoka yange
kale alekerawo okuwa sente z'okulya okusobola okukoga
yeah kati okay bw'oba obadde ompa sente z'okulya mulekeraawo because I'm wondering now even that one which I didn't even know about I was going to freaking work.
It's actually confirming nga kibatugambye nti gwe bintu olwawo okubiraba.
Yes, waliwo nekala akavideo akatambula oba wali ku mukolo ki was a weekend I think oba you were going somewhere remember the jean nga nyimpi nga ka oba okajjukira kwakwogera nakudere soup.
No, that was Thingy's concert
Yes.
at Hockey Grounds.
Now they are saying you stop putting on such because oli munene yo figure teina kwambala ebina kwambala bweti ina kwambala nga webiso kusinza kwa tayagala kulaba. I mean ndaba abantu ba complain nga Lynda teina kwambala bwati I'm like baba bagenda kwambala.
Okay, then you buy for me the clothes. It's okay. Bondetere chondetera njachambala. Wallahi.
But by the
yeah, because now, like you guys are not going to make people feel uncomfortable too. Or you'll find a girl, a skinny girl, will put on a short skirt, na yene Bavuma. A big girl will put on, Kati, who is supposed to wear clothes? Or who is supposed to wear what to wear? If I've gone to a concert, it's a concert. It is a free day. The sun is out. It is hot. It is burning us. White people, when it is hot and burning out and they go outside, there's no problem to you. Actually, let me say, a black woman in America, it's hot outside and they put on according to the temperature, there's no issue. Nayenga, if it's someone that is close, mumuleta kaka manyo.
No one mu Uganda ku eventing singwa muzungu ayita
because they're not going to say anything. Actually, even if they put on a netted, what they call these thingies, the ones that are like mesh kind of clothes. Even if it's a white person wearing the exact same thing, like you don't change anything about the outfit. You guys pick and choose who you're going to attack about it.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, no. I'm very sorry. I'm going to annoy you. At this point, let me intentionally now annoy you. Because if they're picking it from something I haven't done, honestly. Like, how do you get a video of someone going to work and you try to make it look like, and you twist the narrative? Who of you saw me at the concert dressed like that? No. Did you not see me at work? Did you not see me doing on the show? You know I was working, and then you go ahead and you change the narrative. May God forgive you, but then at the same time, from me to you, may thunder strike you. like that truth is. Now you see the thing that's weird, yeah? I'm normally wearing hoodies and sweatpants, and you guys have seen it almost every single day.
Yes.
And then you're wearing hoodies and sweatpants, tamanyi kwambala. Oba she's pregnant. Oba she's, and then you look and you're like, huh? Then, now the funniest thing is when you'll know when I am going to wear what to wear. I don't wear the jean shorts to work. That's why you wouldn't see me in jean shorts. I'll wear something else that's fitting for work. And everyone who knows me knows that I'm a comfortable dresser. I'm not going to wear things every minute. I'm putting on a dress that has a coil that reaches that side. Like me, I can't. I've seen people do that all in the name of impressing other people, but you're uncomfortable. Me, no. I'm sorry. Okay. I will not. I can't. I fail to. Like, it's not my thing. Okay. Now, you're not going to make everyone in the world walk on eggshells because to please who? As in now, okay, if I please you as you, and what about this other person? What about this other person? And then you go to work in sweatpants. Oh no, you wear jeans and a big t-shirt. You know, buli obuntu. That's how they describe it. Buli obuntu bwaffe naffe tulabeko. Then you're looking and you're like, who is who? What is what? As in, make it make sense because let me say as a DJ that doesn't dress in a particular way is not seen as someone who has.
Lynda.
But that one has shocked me. I didn't know it. I cannot wait to see that video.
It's there.
I really can't wait to see that video because you have lied.
You go kubawala more industry, maybe media, or more industry okutwaliza more entertainment. Akyasinze okufuna gigs z'obulango.
Oh yeah.
Bobo so to droppingira wa amanyanga temwinayo confidentiality n'abantu bokola nabo.
Oh yeah.
So to gama nakola ko ne company jata Jose company baita wuni company you get.
Yeah,
right
I wouldn't hide them because for many of them I do still have active contracts with, and even if I don't see the name, you kind of see it. So yeah, I have been blessed enough, thank you, Lord, to be able to be one of those that has been endorsed. And yeah, I've worked with Airtel. I've worked with Coca-Cola as well. I've worked with at some point. I've also worked with Mirinda. I've worked with Geisha. I've worked with Always. I've worked with well, guys, I worked with Apple Music.
Apple. Wow.
Wait, let me buzz like guys, what up? Anyway. Era watch Talunga window. I've worked with so many. I've worked with Safe Border. I've worked with Uber as well. I've worked with like I've not even finished all of them. Like I usually have them like on my. I'm currently working with Johnny Walker Africa. It's there's so many. Wait, before I even forget, like I worked with I worked with Apple Music. I worked with Highland Tea. I worked with Infinix. I've worked with European Union as well.
Girl.
Hi, what up? I worked with Nice and Lovely.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, the Nice and Lovely thing is also one that confused me.
Nice and Lovely?
Yeah, there's a time. Yeah, the lotion.
Oh yeah.
I've worked with Mountain Dew. I've worked with so many. Let me see. Yeah, Geisha. I've worked with DFCU as well. I've worked with Chicken Tonight. I've worked with Rubis. How did I forget Rubis? I don't know how I forgot.
Rubis
You guys used to be Rubis
But
is
you
such
so
a
when
nice
I'm telling you.
Rubis is quite a fun company to work with. I remember them taking me to like different stations, or like when they would have activations, and people would actually come early to see me. Like they would start the activations at 6, and then they would be calling me, telling me there are people who are already here and they said they want to meet you. Do you know how that feels? Like it feels so nice.
Yeah.
Like so yeah, I would go to Rubis. I wouldn't even be doing anything. I'd just be saying hi, playing around. Like you get, but it was so much fun to work with. I think the other company I've had a lot of fun with is Airtel. I'm not talking about the free data, guys. but but it's like working with Airtel is it's like there's a lot you get to see and experience. You'd go to places that you didn't think you'd go to, and there are things you'd have to work on that actually like trigger your mind. Like when you have to come up with something for kids, and your head is so that feeling when you actually achieve it or make it come to life is it's very beautiful. But yeah, I worked with them as well. Robertson Wine, South Africa.
Wow.
Definitely been able to work with them. I've worked with 1xBet as well. I've worked with Cheaper Cash. You guys, I worked with Lydia. That was, I think, one of the hardest ones.
Lydia
Pill.
Wow.
Yeah.
In the comments.
Mwafunye ambassador mutufu.
No.
I
use this thing here.
I know.
But it gave me no, but it taught me how to think to get out of, like, it tested me. So I actually grew because of like such whatever. There were, such gigs make you actually grow. Like if you can get through that one, you're good. Because man, people have genuine like thingies out there, but like they are a very nice brand to work with. But then, you know, when it's you in the between these ones and these ones, everyone has to understand each other. So you learn from there. I worked with Jumia. I worked with KFC.
Jumia, yes.
Yeah, you remember Jumia time, like for Jumia. Jumia was fun also because like they would be shipping my stuff for free. At that time, I like one likes buying nonsense. Jumia I enjoyed as well. But I've worked with so many bongo. It was also like 1xBet.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
It was one of those. By the time I worked with Cheaper Cash, just now I worked for money. Cheaper Cash was giving money, but I wish they could come back. I miss them very much.
So
kati nze mbuuza okusinziira ku gundi zino z'otuwadde naffe batulaba gye tuli ologerawa osabirawa naffe tugende
you know even me at the time when I was asked I don't remember which group called me and I asked them, but why me? And then they explained to me that there are particular criteria they follow when they're picking influencers. There's like someone I asked. Yeah, I remember having that meeting at Oasis Mall.
Really?
Because I was like a little confused for a second there, because you know that moment where things hit you and it doesn't seem real, like it doesn't make sense. So I actually asked, and then they were like, "Oh no," like because I was wondering, what do you guys use to pick people?
Okay.
Because in my head I was like, why would you pick me? Oh, I remembered where I was asking. I was asking because of the company and me, and I felt like I wasn't like me. I felt like I'm not the right person for it. But then they insisted I was the right person for it. Because I was like, oh, believe me on this one. But then I worked with them after them explaining to me how they pick the people. It's not just about what you do. Otherwise, alcohol companies would pick the biggest drunkard in the neighborhood. But they're picking people. Yeah, like you see, like there's a chart they actually have. And apparently there are names that fall inside different zones. There's a green zone, there's an orange zone, there's a red zone. Depending on how you've been interacting with people online. And also how, because they can actually see the stats of which category of people follow you, which category of people are actually in your insights. You can also check and see. So if they're targeting women, and in the women category, most of the women are paying attention to this person, they're going to go for that person. Regardless of whether or not this other person uses the product more. This is the person people are paying attention to. And then I just happen to keep falling in the green zone because I don't exactly have negativity online, at least none that I have caused. If you talk about me, man, it's on your profile, it's not on mine. When people come out to say, they'll be like, oh, Winnie Success's thing is all about Bavuma Abantu. They will not send me, Bavuma, Winnie Bavuma Abantu. So it comes back to you after. Then you wonder why you're not getting gigs, because if you spread negativity, unfortunately, people will not want to associate with that. People want to associate with positivity. I've never attacked, let me say, an official or whatever. Like, if I've not...
You just living your life.
Yeah, me basically, my work, my timeline is about my work and myself. So it's easy for companies to step into my work and myself because it doesn't affect them in any way. I've never abused any company I've worked with. I've never, there's no such confrontation. Not to say that there are people who have done that and have still been able to get. They are, but it's not exactly as easy dynamic. You have to really be influential for someone to forego or ignore the bad side of you. Now, so, and we don't have that many. So
getting all
easy.
These no gigs is on now. Lynda, oba kiki kyogamba mbu ojjukira breakthrough yo. When was it?
Lockdown.
Lockdown.
Lockdown. Yeah, because I just started working at the beat before the lockdown. And then when the lockdown happened, that's when we added dance party.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dance party, yeah, breakthrough.
Yeah. Okay. It was because, when I was working on the beat, yes, people had gotten to know who I was. Yeah. People actually already knew who I was because of TikTok. Please don't go on my TikTok, Saga.
TikTok,
Someone get a TikTok, Because when someone comes and says, I know you from TikTok, I'm always like, oh, because, man, the things I do on TikTok do not represent who I am. I'm a very serious person in real life.
Serious, Chinai.
Now we can't pretend for the camera.
So breakthrough, yeah, lockdown. I think about Singapore now.
It became a lot more projected. Yeah. Because people's attention was actually on mainstream media at that point in time. People had already gotten to know me. Yeah, because of my TikTok. Yes, NTV, the beat is also when they announced me as their new host. It was also a big thing. Was it? No, Tracy Kababito. Oh, because Tracy came after Sheila, right? Yes, Tracy came after Sheila.
Sure.
The girl with a very powerful voice. She has a very nice deep voice. Because it was Sheila, then Tracy, then myself. And then, but those were all big shoes to fill. So it wasn't, I wasn't even sure I was supposed to be in that particular position. But God knows how he does his things. Because I was right there. Oh no.
Because I had, so I was
that's the thing. So apparently, but I didn't know at first. Let me explain. Let me explain myself. Okay. I happened to be there because I remember if it was anyone who made me know it, it was Kasuku who told me about it. But at first I didn't, because there were particular pages I never used to follow. Not because I don't like appreciate what they do or anything, but because what they do is not exactly my thing. Does that make sense?
Yes.
I'm not saying that like, oh, watch it, like do you, but me as me, I might not follow you because it's not the kind of thing I want to see. Like these people who have a whole page on gossiping on people. So unfortunately, one of the famous gossip pages had posted about stuff she had said about me. So like then it became a thing. Like everyone already knew about it. Now me at first I didn't know that all those things had happened. And then Kasuku told me about it. I even cried. Like Kasuku told me about it, I cried. So because in my head I'm like, what did I do? I've never done anything to her. Like because I was feeling bad because I'm a very receptive person. And at that point in time I felt like I was being hurt for no reason.
So
because all I was doing, I was just working, and then all that came to happen, and then that particular gossip page and a couple of others that that follow that copy and paste amplified it. Her friends had actually said it or something like that. Like her friend, you know how like let me say you're talking to each other and then your friends go and give the information of what this one was. You get so it was that kind of weird situation. I don't even know like what it was, and then you could easily tell like by I mean, people talk. Like, you have a right to sit with her and talk and have a conversation because at the end of the day, it's bound to happen. Just like I can sit and have a conversation with him about something I feel like I've noticed or anything, which is possible. But for friends to amplify it and make it a thing just because, so their own friends also made it a thing, and then bloggers got involved, and then somewhere it reached Kasuku. Kasuku phoned me. I remember I used to find Kasuku at station because he was working at Dembe and I would be at KFM, and as weird as I am, I'm always early to work. So I'd be at KFM like by 6. But me in most cases, because I don't want to sit through traffic, I'd rather go to station and sleep from there.
You just like
so
me.
So I'd go to station and be there and chill. So I'd keep ending up having to. That's how I would always appear on Kasuku's shows because we're in the same place at the same time. So this time he actually came looking for me purposely just to bring that up, and it was an annoying time to go through because at that time it was one of those moments where women were just starting to actually be a force out there, and everyone was making it impossible for women to be a force out there because even up to now they still do it. Someone will come out and be like, choose A or B or C. Like, why are you doing that? Guy, you're not doing that for the men. You get it? Watch it about we call it Kubasaja. Like, how come they don't come and say which man is better at let me say presenting? Choose between A or B. But then for women, for some reason, even fellow women do it. So DJing, they come out who DJs better, and you're like, but we're doing two different things. Why are you trying to pit us against each other?
So you guys sat down and talked about it because you're now friends.
She actually she came that after a while, like after a little while, she actually even came. She came to one of my nights and explained to me how all that happened, and me, I was already like cool because I don't like having I don't like having negativity in my life. Even then I said, you know what, for me it's okay, but people refuse to see that it was okay. Me, I can't say, but it's okay, like let it be. Just me, I just wanted it. But then okay, even if it was said okay, fine, and then she did. We actually even talked and we were okay, but for some reason people just still didn't want it to be like you'd still keep seeing a picture of okay, winning your Naji, who's better? Like, does it always have to be that way? No. Can't you see that these people are actually able to work together? No. I do not know. I don't know because I've never. I was even single then, so like, I've never dated anyone that she has dated. I was like, okay, like at all, because I know my ex. She doesn't know him.
Joshua Baraka.
Yes. Do you know why? Let me help you.
Okay.
If I had picked any other name. No, but the good thing is he really does have the good music.
True.
like so there I'm like in my head I can basically still ride on the fact that his music is still all the way up there. And then other people, if like let me say if someone comes and say if she asks me about to choose something and then there's Saha's name in there and I choose Saha's name, but then when let me say there is Palazzo's name, I don't pick Palazzo. it will look like I picked a side.
So what was the deal?
And yet I like, because for some reason in the music industry, it's either this or that one. In my head, I'm like, can't I just love them both? Like, especially now, like for the ladies, because now even for the ladies in the industry, they keep pitting them against each other. Like this one will come and they'll be like, "Ona kopa gundi," and like, are you sure though? But this person is also just trying to make it out there. Just give them a chance. Let them breathe. Even if they are coping, at some point they're going to discover themselves and branch out into that. But let them breathe. Naenga, But it wasn't because I even had forgotten that his boyfriend. No, but they know.
Because it's honey, I know Bakatamira Malusu. I like Kinga one. But really, Lynda, why just like Blue?
We even be laughing about those things. Like, even if I have said it, I even consent. I even use her own face as a sticker. Like, I made her a sticker on Snap. On my Snap, so musinika sticker ya face.
So nga tuyagala ku Lynda kino ekibuzo kigenda ko gwe naye kigenda ku mulimo gwammwe ovula twala story mu kutambula social media eya Lynda kubanga Itaniyo kubanga yakola show nafuna abantu bangi because I mean dijjo omukazi afunya abantu bangi omusajja najja n'agamba byalimu okusaddaaka omuntu kati kankireete wano Lynda is the most y'omukubali most booked DJs ate ofuluma in and out ndowooza buli wiiki obeera oli ofuluma njagala ombuulire muloga birimu okusamira birimu okusaba ennyo because either olina okuba ng'osaba nnyo oba ng'osamira nnyo ye ate Itani ekisinga okunuma tebamutaddeyo mu kusaddaaka mbu yali boyfriend we mu yamusaddaasa. You saw the story?
I saw that yesterday but one.
Yes. So tell me, what do you guys use? Because you and Itani, you guys are up there now mu bakyala.
I don't know why people put aside the hard work they've seen people do. You know, I said that about it. Thinking Itani, like that interview that Viola phone when initially she kept asking me like about that whole dress code situation. But I even told her then, if you guys have seen someone putting in the work, why are you trying to change the narrative? Sure. That girl would do rehearsals Gamulaba. That girl was appearing on every interview. Gamulaba. Now when the event works out, I turn out the reason is something else. Help me you've seen the people do the work. Move it out. I've seen people even be in my DMs. Winnie has come to me 1,000 times telling me, why don't you sleep? You've seen me working every single day. I'm going out there, I'm putting content, I'm doing this. Then when God grants me the chance and I am spotted at one of my workplaces and given another opportunity, then all of a sudden the credit should go to something else. It doesn't make sense.
Not at all.
Because if someone has seen, oh no, she was doing this, let me say, at Leboti, and they say, oh, I like the DJ that was playing there, let me take her too. All of a sudden, now that is sacrifice. You people have gotten jobs out of family members. Just saying I'm a family member of Gundi and they give you a job is that child sacrifice. It's not. I mean, allow people to shine and enjoy the fruits of their work. Because there is really nothing wrong. Guys, we're not born to suffer. If someone has worked hard and has achieved something, allow them enjoy it the best way they can. Let them share it without mercy. Because someone will go ahead, you've been seeing me working this whole year. I haven't done anything big as such. Like for my own self, I haven't really done anything big as such. Probably waiting till my birthday to get myself something. Now when I do get myself something, all of a sudden, all the hard work you've been seeing me do from last year till now doesn't matter. But now you'll automatically forget that Lynda is booked Monday to Monday. Every single night, I'm working at TV every single day of the week. On Saturdays, I'm working. If I am around, I still have a gig. If I'm not around, I am still going because of a gig, which you're seeing me do. It's not like I've hidden it. I'll even post the gig I am going for. Naenga, you still come and say, it doesn't make sense. So it's really unfair. Like it's so unfair. Because how many times have men been there, they don't even post about their work, but they'll post about their achievement. No one will come and say, where did you get your car from? Tewali ababuza. But you've not seen them post work. Now a woman is showing you that she's working. She will get a car. no chamubuza ajifuni. They were, what else do you want people to show you, dear beloved? How, and what more do they want from a person? When you show them everything, you're showing too
and
much.
guess what? One night emyaka nga 10 nga tolina kyolaga yakola yatwamulabanga
Yeah,
yafunayo sente baziryanga bute
bwe bakulaga be bafunye nobawayiriza nobateekako ebigambo. If they don't show you, they are not doing anything. So honestly, there's no winning at the end of the day. But me, I'm asking you kindly, nebanga sinze for any other one of the women that you're seeing working, but take a match to like appreciate what they're doing and acknowledge the work that women, not just women, even the men, Bambi, they're also working, but appreciate what everyone is doing, because people are actually putting in a lot of work. Ntia. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, but like, I would badly want to share like something
Lynda,
with the people.
Ddane experience.
Yeah, but then also in my head I'm like, which side of me am I going to give them? Because I would want them to experience everything.
DJ, muziki.
I can't wait to do that. I'm just, honestly, Saga Abalimpa, I'm just gathering the courage. Like, as me, I'm scared. Not because I don't think people will show up or anything. It's just, I love putting all my energy 100% into the things that I do. And I feel like I would want to be able to give or put my 100% into that. So I'm just looking for the right time. And I know if the time hits me, but then at the same time, I think that's also my excuse. So omuntu I know kuja na kuba kumutwe na gamba chikole. Otherwise, I may keep saying that for like a while, but because I know usually with
but you guys,
I need to
it's so come muli wakanga mwenda muli ba DJ. Now kati ngenze ku cast baby.
Waka.
Kati inabindi ebyokutu wakati.
That the waka.
Era no ye kweka ensanyi zimu kutegedde ku baby.
Lynda.
Nzende galo.
Mugenda tuwa ogatu family experience.
Ate.
Cast baby and DJ Lynda have experience. I'm just saying. Okitegedde kuba kati anti family yonna mutatu kubendo ne mwelonda mutyanga mwena muli ba DJ. Sakategeera ko Lynda.
No. When you call us money.
Mukwano.
Bakuwaninga.
Bakatanze kagera ebiri mwateeka yodda. Nga toyogera birala.
Okay.
Kati kankugambe Lynda Ddane is a giver, she's a gifter, she's a good girl.
Yamutwala se wone Lynda lwaki watujoga. So ne ku birthday no mutwala. Baba fe tuna je tubatwala.
Oyaga ko kye wasajja afa.
Namwe muchikole.
Tuina sente.
That means no. Okay, it's not even about that. It doesn't have to be exactly what I did. But buli omu asobola ku customize their own gift according to the person that they're with. If you feel like your person would appreciate this, you can try and do something according to what you, or give them a new experience.
Lynda Ddane yasasula ticket to Malaysia. N'atwala omwami we boyfriend we e Malaysia ku bill ye n'amugulira ebirabo ne batambula ne beeyagala. Mungu wasente mbeko mwana omuntu gwen spreading because what?
But you've done it before.
Yes, at the level. No,
I think the only difference is maybe, but then also, like I said, remember when we started, we were talking about even just work, how women's brains have evolved. Even the way women behave and act or treat people has also evolved. Right now, a woman, depending on who you are, I'm not saying Sibi and Paka, it's not by force, but some people are gifters. I am naturally a gifter. I've gifted my friends, I've gifted, like, I'm naturally a gifter. No, like what, like I'm naturally a gifter. So it's not out of my character for me to give. Because I've gifted my best friends, I've gifted, like me gifting is not, it's within me, like I don't know how to explain it.
Ebiseera ebisinga omuntu agiftinga nga love language ye mu ngeri emu benda tesinti ya love language ekola ku musajja gwe bakane kane ku mikwano nga bugambye. Ebiseera ebisinga omuntu ekyo nekyabako naye abayaga kya bamukolela. Do your friends bogamba bo giftinga nabo bakuwaayo ko kubirabo oba you receive giving end to receiving end?
I think it's not as much. I think I'm mostly on the giving end. But I have friends. I have friends of mine that are givers. Yeah, but the honest truth is, me, I appreciate thoughtful gifts. It may not be the most expensive, but someone who knows the things I like. I mean, my best friend once gave me a toothbrush, but I liked it. It had a Mickey Mouse on it, and she knows I love Mickey Mouse. You get like that means she thought about what I actually like, and I still have that toothbrush up now. I've never even used it. That's the funniest thing. I mean, sometimes it's the smallest thing. My other friend, actually, think you know him, Niwa. He's the time when I was sick, he bought me pillows. Yeah. And I'll never forget that for the life of me. No, he got me pillows when I was staying in the hospital.
Why you pillow?
I was in the hospital. And among all the people that I talked to, it was like 4 people that showed up. So honestly, I cannot forget those that were actually that. However small, like as I'm saying, the more thoughtful it is. You get, like, sometimes it doesn't have to be the most expensive, but you just have to know the person you're dealing with. Like, if you know this person is a soccer fan, get them something related to soccer. If you know this person is a basketball fan, get them something related to related to basketball. Like, you just tailor it according to what you're able to. Obviously, you shouldn't break yourself or bend yourself backwards because you're trying to be like Gundi who did what for this one. No, do what you can in that moment. When that time comes, you can also do what you can in that time. But I really don't believe in just receiving and not giving. I would feel guilty.
So in best friend
Ketra. Ketra does a lot of things. Musoboyi wange no.
Like tell him limelight.
But most of people know. Most of people know her. Very stubborn girl. Yeah.
Oh yeah. She's
very
my friend too.
Stubborn creature. Yeah. But I like her because she's a hard worker.
Yeah.
Like choyagala jaji kupira. You tell her you want and she'll bring for you. She'll find it somehow and go. Because you'll see her doing cookies, baking cookies at night. During the day, she's handling decorations. So such a person that's always unhappy. So she also doesn't have time for negative, although she's a very feisty person. So I think she's the fighter in a relationship. So I have a feeling at some point she has probably abused some of you on my behalf because I can't but she's that person. She's feisty.
Gundi ya boyfriend yivudde ko jinga ngenze. Bagambye mu kitu end in tears. And then kubikola byonna naye abantu but if we go omusajja Lynda.
Omusajja omwe yalidde n'omwebika Lynda. Men are bad people, they hate us.
No, but that's the thing. Like if it ends, ngodamu sample.
Wanti mama wange.
Ani achigamba so that sound on TikTok. No, it's not even that easy. But at the end of the day, like you can't. Okay, let it fail, guys. It's not your fault. Go. So if it fails, at least you can't say it's because of me.
Yeah.
Like I'll try. Yeah. I don't want someone to come and say, oh, she didn't even try, because most people have that. I'll try to my level best. Yeah. Sometimes it may not be your calling. It may not. God has a way of doing things. There are people who will do almost nothing and their relationship works. And then you'll do almost everything and your relationship doesn't work. So it's I really don't know the formula for life, by the way. Because I've seen
cross and rhyme.
You guys look alike.
Someone told me that, but I don't see.
You don't? I go limu just you don't. But tukiraba kuba tukimanyi. Tukira mulinga olizoga oli yakuye mukulu oba noddako obwenzoga like muzoga amwedda.
But you do realize we're friends even before.
Yes,
yeah, we've been friends for years. But I never ever thought that I would date him. initially, even if you had told me before, I would have laughed at you.
Ekimanyi tewakola abawala basinga kyekisasinza otulema okugamba nno yo n'omuteekayo ku media.
No, see, this is what happened. At first, I hadn't done that, but then people would see us together, and then guvayola de gunsaga. I use so quick. So that, but the thing is, normally, like I said, initially, I would not say anything. But if you ask me, I will not lie.
You said that at the beginning.
So I said that even in the beginning. Like normally, most people had never asked me. No one had ever come and asked me if I was in a relationship. So what? You had to just come to the camera and say, guys, I'm in a relationship? No one had asked me before. So this one time, Viola actually asked me, what are you going to tell Kulavana? I could not lie. Like, how do you start? Like, if you lie, it would be wrong of me to lie at that point in time. If you know you're with someone and you can boldly say to someone else you're not, there's something wrong with you. So I had no reason to lie at that point in time. I know, right?
You know, right?
I know. He told you, I'll never clear it up. A good thing is I would call him and I tell him, so you see, he's like, yes, are you okay? I'm okay, we go. we could, like, as long as it's not affecting him and his personal life. Because it's not until you've been around us that you know what it is. And I do not have the time, honestly, to explain to you that it is possible for people to actually have people that care about them and that are genuine friends with them. Because Niwa is one of those people I can gladly and strongly say does care about me and has showed it. There's no way I cannot return the favor. If Niwa calls me at 2 a.m. in the night, I am going. Like, and he needs, because he has been there for me as well. And that's what friends are supposed to be like. So how can the internet come and make me split with the one person that's there for me, all because you think we are dating? Like, bro, even to this date, you guys know you'll always see us together. Whether you say what or what, you will still see Niwa show up. I'll still show up for him. And that is how it's going to be. I'm not going to split up with my friend because people are seeing me.
Joza agenda kuboza ebizo ebisembayo. Kasi baby wakitayogera ye. Ali shy nnyo bwati.
It's a character, he's shy. No, he's actually shy.
Atwayo dikanta ajja kuvamo obwa shy.
Simani, but I don't see that happening. I know he's shy.
He doesn't do interviews, like I've never even simulira nkonga ayogera.
You see, even during the lockdown, we wanted to have him as one of the guest DJs, and he didn't. He didn't want to do it.
Kati no Abantu. By the way, he's a good DJ.
Very good DJ. He's a very good DJ. But you can see he's that level, he's shy that he has never even had his own event. But he's a very good DJ. Like he is like, I'm not even saying it as whatever. He's undoubtedly a really, really good DJ. But for some people, you just have to accept them as they are. If it's a shy person, there's some people who are just naturally outspoken. Tomanya Abantu, my song is the biggest in the land. Nanga also number one, but then he's telling you confidently that their song is there are people who are like that. That confidence just comes out of them. But for them, they are but like there are people who can actually confidently sit and say, yo, me, I'm the most beautiful person in the world. And that's how, and then they're like, they know how to handle themselves that way. And then there are people who just, even if you come and tell them you're beautiful, they're like, you're lying. Like, it's swear.
Keke yamwe egenda kubeerako omuzini egenda kubeerako dijje kozi gundi yawe bete keke yawe ku mukolo tegenda kubanga
ajateko ka laptop aleko nekyo kinaka
how was I going to say moon saviri embaga.
I thought you kubo.
Yeah, but I wanted to know if also you guys are seeing me going that direction.
You love him band I nayakwagala so
I can speak for myself.
Please.
I do. but you can, I can't wait to see it. But do you really think a cake would survive on such an event? An event that has music and all the DJs in Kampala. To judge me now. We are going to break that cake. It will not last the whole night. Either that or we will forget to eat it. Okay. Like I don't know. Anyway, I don't know how that they would be. I don't know. I know.
Which year? Next year, this year.
Man, mkama ya man. Yeah, because I don't think I'm the one who dictates when that happens. So me, at the end of the day, what God gives is what I'll take. If He sees us going in that path, well and good. If Mukama yani
tumalirize tugende ku shop baba bajja tugoba fedda mu basatu
nzijukidde ono kyagamba ina gyala
I say man, at this point in time they're like this pink me anyway, but no, but also what I'm doing right now is important. I'm here for my ladies. I think I'm glad that I get to sit down with fellow women that are happy to push all the other women.
You do the same thing because you have to kubanga mukwana
tugenda kukamulamu mpaka tukujjemu n'akasente
njagala okuwulira singa ffe mukwana abantu bakwagala
I'd say atembaga nayenga it's just where kaba walai
I swear I don't know they do by that
bambi abantu bakwaga
that's why bokoga they care
toina gundu toina nyo buvuyo abantu bacha omuntu obuvuyo
I was
Ddane. By the way, njaga soka ku appreciating nga sinagenda mbibuzo. Ono emochi gwagenda kujjoga embuno. Ezo glasses bazitaye bati naziguza wati omuntu wati agenda zikuwa. Oyo makeup nga mulungi. Kaba ne bibyo bya bay. Ne besi bya bay ekiriwe kugamba Kaskini, I can send that to you. Kugamba webale better, you're not gatekeeping anything. Thank you for being good. Abawala abalala. Kananga sijjukira mune stange yakanidde okuva America kati simanyi oliza kafuna naye nga kali mu Uganda.
Nah man, me I'll plug you, bruh. If you come to me and you ask me where I've gotten something, I think they know most of the people on like on my snap know. You ask me about my shoe, I'll send you the number. Ask me about my hair, I'll send you the person. So I find man make life easy.
What is your zodiac sign?
I'm a Scorpio.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you believe in angel numbers?
I do, but I don't know how they work exactly. I don't want to lie. But yeah, I do believe in them. I've seen people go into the 4-4, 11-11, 3-3, and I would really love to. Actually want to take my time to understand the angel numbers 100% before I start questioning back of interviews. I don't like saying things that I can't explain to someone else.
How old is Lynda? But passing. How old are you?
I'm going to pass it. I do know I'm going to pass it. Because you will start a fresh debate. Yeah, like I've seen people annoy people just because of what they don't believe in anyway. So you go with what you go with.
Okay. Your favorite airline?
Right now, I think it would be Qatar. Yeah.
Your favorite drink on a plane?
I might say this to Muniga. I love me some Fanta.
Really? When you are Fanta
my mouth even turns orange. Please don't take it the wrong way, but like they also know. I always tell them, come back, give me another one. It wakes me up in a way. I don't understand the whole sugar rush with me, but it is my favorite.
That song on replay mu motoka yo mu nyumba yo ba mu DJing.
Right now it would be This Time by Joshua Baraka. Then I think I am also very in love with this song by Mr. Who. I don't even think it has a name. I like it. I don't think it actually has a name. It's a very dumb song, but I actually like it. When I'm playing particular songs that I love playing.
Okay, it's the same as what day.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, what is your worst fear?
Losing my family members. I could not imagine.
Okay. You still have your mother and father?
Yes, I do.
Thank God for that.
Thank you, Lord. I did lose important people. Those are my grandparents because I spent a lot of my childhood with. And yeah, it hurt me. So I cannot imagine. Like, nah, I can't imagine anything like, yeah.
Have you been betrayed before?
Betrayed, yes. Yeah.
By who? A friend, a boyfriend, a who?
A friend, a boyfriend, yes.
Okay.
And also a who. You who is out there lying about me, betrayed me. I'm here for you people.
Okay.
But yeah, I have been betrayed before. And it has hurt before. I think, being betrayed by a friend hurts a lot more.
So much.
It hurts a lot more because then, man, I develop trust issues, bro. I don't have, but yeah. Bibawo anyway. Things happen.
Ndoza tujja kubuza already kitugamba tunakyogerako next time.
Man, it's a long story.
Okay. That is time.
That is next time.
That is next time.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the most lie about the misconception about you?
That I'm proud.
Yeah.
Okay.
People.
I've had people come to me and they'll be like, hey, I talked to you, but I didn't think you're going to respond. Or there are times when, because I like greeting people, like when I see them or bump into them. So like I would even go to like restaurants and I say hi, like to the waiters and everything. They're like, did you just greet me? I'm like, yeah. What do you mean? And they're like, we didn't think you'd actually greet or something. But most people would think that I'm proud. I'm really not.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Your favorite brand, designer brand?
In which case?
For
sneakers, Steve Maiden,
Oh, very specific. Okay.
No, like which kind of brand?
Okay. Tugende
Because the sneakers, I love Steve Maiden. For clothes, I don't think I am very particular as such, because you know how girls things up. Yeah, you can find up here you're wearing Tommy Hilfiger, down here you're wearing one. Like so, like for. Yeah, I would be lying if I was one of those girls that says, "Oh, give me Chanel, whatever."
Okay. Your favorite perfume?
Handbags as much. Anything that has vanilla powder, but I love Stronger with You. It is a very nice signature, strong woman giving kind of scent. And I love Bulgari.
Okay.
It's a male perfume, but I love it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will you go to war for love?
I think so.
Eh?
I didn't know.
DJ Kas baby. Mumukwano mumubere wala Lynda ajaba kuba. Siga mwito muchiga.
No.
Ajaba kuba.
Okay, like, do you know what I'm saying? I think so. Because we work in media. We have seen stories that we can't explain. Because someone bites off someone's finger.
I know.
But then, busungu or whatever. So, I don't know. So, I don't know how it would be if I am put in the same, like, position.
Okay.
So, I don't want to rule it out. I don't want to act like I'm a saint or something. I actually genuinely think I might have the normal reactions of a woman. Yeah.
Okay. Do you keep exes as friends?
No.
Okay.
Wait, because I don't have that many exes. I know exactly where that one is. I don't want to meet you. I'm sorry. Like, it's not because of that. It's because I know that there's a because I'm a very forgiving person.
Okay.
I do not want to be your friend because I will forgive you and go back to it. So you pass there. Like for now, unless if I don't want to, but if you want to break the cycle, if you've been in a cycle, you have to accept or like
cut
just
ways.
Like cut ways.
Okay. Sugar or honey?
Honey.
Okay. Enyumba ya flati, enyumba ya wansi?
Flat.
Okay. Tea, coffee or
Tea.
milk? Okay. Gin or whisk?
None.
Wine or champagne?
I don't know. I don't drink.
Okay.
So I don't know the difference. Yeah. I don't know the difference. Yeah.
Kino kyo answer yo ndeka naye ne kankoleke mmere ya bayiro mmere nsiike.
Nsiike.
Naye nsiike bayakola ki omuntu? Naye nsiike yakola ki omuntu?
I don't know. Like, okay, like I like boiled food, but if you catch me like on any day, the truth is I'll definitely pick the fried.
Yes,
I feel like boiled, I have to be wanting it. Like it has to be that day where I feel like they don't jagala mere ya boil, but not every day. Otherwise, it would lose that special. It's like if you have luombo every day. I said, now how will you enjoy the food at a wedding?
Sure.
Right? You have to look forward to attending people's functions for that food. But yeah.
Okay. Would you want to do this with us again?
I would definitely love to. The problem is that next time I'm going to come, just because as you can see, they got me on my own thing. Ngenda kuja naenga nange gabombuza kawenkubuza. As in just okay, I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen in the future, but if it happens, don't say I didn't give you a warning. So nzijane warning wanokumutwe. Nzojababuza ebibuzo.
Alright.
But it's okay. Thank you for having me. This is so much fun.
Guys, I'm subscribing to Jose and Winnie Diaries. Bana I'm subscribing.
But you see what I'm saying? I have to ask you. If it's Jose and Winnie Diaries, that means there has to be something in there about you guys as well. So
nayo laba ayine embozi bwe tukomawo bwe nababuuza ku bitusi era njagala just newaze bwewazi kubuuza ku bitusi newaze bwewazi kubuuza ku zuli terms naye next time
ani gwobuuza I forgot. Okay, fine. Yeah.
So next time,
yeah, you'll ask.
her. No, means
Mukwano, tulina biyitirivu.
Tewali kyomanyiko. Jakuwairiza bro.
I know. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, oh yeah. Spilling the tea, get the inside scoop. Join the dynamic duo, plug into the loop. Jose and Winnie, diaries. Got that fire, no apologies. Conversations that inform and inspire. Taking entertainment to a level higher. Come on, come and catch the vibe now. Ooh, na, na, na. Hey, come on, come and catch the vibe now.
Jose and Winnie, diaries.